Hello, welcome to calendar time for today. Let's feed Fred first, and then we'll play a game together, okay? Good morning, Fred. I hope you're having a great morning, and I want to bring Sue out and play a game with you before we do our calendar today. Come on out, Sue. Sue, can we play the quiet game? Do you know how to play? So, would you like to play with us? You have to be really quiet, and we're going to make it a little more challenging. See if you can not blink while you're quiet. I'm going to set the timer, and so when it beeps, we can talk and make noise again. But until then, let's be quiet. On your marks, you ready, Sue? Get set, go. How'd you do? I blinked, so I didn't win. Sue, I think you won. I didn't talk though. Were you quiet? Did you blink? That was super fun. We played the quiet game because today in our letter of the day video, we're going to be learning about letter Q, and Q is for quiet. So come back later for that video. We'll play that game again. But right now, Sue, if you want to, you can grab the flag and then come back and let's say the pledge. You got it? Okay, so here we go. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you, Sue. You can sit down now if you'd like to because we're going to do our calendar time. Do you remember what month it is? I'll give you a hint. March, 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 March. It's March. The month is March. And I'm going to let our little bunny hop as we count and find out what number it is for today. 1, 2, will you help me? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Today is March 9th. Can you say that? March 9th. If you go all the way to the top of the calendar, you'll see that today starts with the letter T. T makes this sound, t, 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 like a ticking clock. What day is it today? It's Tuesday. Good job. Today is Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday. And tomorrow will be Wednesday. Let's sing the Days of the Week song. You can clap 2 times or you can snap if you know how. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Today is Tuesday and it's time to check our Tuesday weather. So will you look outside at your house and see what the weather's like? Look outside the window. Okay, let's sing. When I do like this with my camera, then with my microphone, then you put in whatever your weather is. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? It is, mm, mm, it is, it is out today. It is, it is, it is out today. The season is winter, but it won't be long before we change that and it'll say spring. Don't forget to join me back in just a little while where we do letter Q and we'll play that quiet game again. And we'll talk about some coins like the quarter. I'll see you then. Goodbye.